Hello friends, welcome back to another video. I hope that you all are fine. So here we will going to see Atlantic Ocean. What is Atlantic Ocean, and what kind of things and mm, we will see over there. So let's start. Basically, the Atlantic Ocean is the second largest of the world, five oceanic divisions with an area of about 85 uh, 85,000 uh, sorry uh, it is 85 133 thousand kilometers. Okay, and if we talk about square miles, so it is 32 lakhs 32 870. Okay, it covers approximately 70% of our surface and about 20% of its water surface area. During the age of discoveries, it was known. Okay, uh, it was known for separating the new world of Americans, North America and South America, from the old world of Asrof, yours, Africa, Asia, and Europe. Coordinate are 0 degree north and 25-degree west. If we talk about coordinates, basic countries are list of bordering countries, not the drainage basin. Okay, if we talk about surface area, we have already discussed. Average depth is 3,646 meter, which is 11,962 feet. Okay, max depth if we talk about, so it is 8,376 meter and 27,480 feet. Water volume is also too much highest over there. It is approximately 310 410 900 kilometer. Okay, and Iceland, list of Iceland branch are South Sandwich, Romanch, settlement list. Okay, so, through its separation of European origin from the Americans, the Atlantic Ocean has played a central role in the development of human society. Okay, globalization and the history of many nations. While the Norse were the first non-human to cross the Atlantic, it was the expeditions of Christopher Columbus in 1942 that proved to be the most um, biggest ocean over there. Okay, if we talk about the age of exploration, so the Americans and European powers, both they have contributed over their most, but also Spain and France and United Kingdom play a vital role in the in this, we can say, the research of this ocean. Okay, and also somehow the exploration of this ocean from 6th to 19th century at Atlantic Ocean was the center of both slave trade and the Columbia Exchange, while occasionally hosting naval battles over there were starting. So yes, somehow it is difficult for them. Such naval battles as well as growing trade from original American powers like United States and Brazil both increased in degree during the earlier 20th century. While no major military conflicts have taken place in Atlantic recently, the ocean remains a core component of trade around the world. Okay, so this is the end of this explanation.